Hi guys, good morning. We're back. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog. Busy kami this last few months. And then we arrived here in Davao December 2. And we went in a condo here around Davao. Sorry for the late update. My God, look at my eyelashes. My sister-in-law, the one who did it, this one, to my eyelashes and my fingernails. The baby is still sleeping. The other baby is in the other room. And then the little Johnny is in the other room. And my husband is right there watching a Netflix, of course, as always. The reason why we just now vlogging because we are roaming around looking a house for rent for those past 3 months. And then we don't really find the house that we really want to rent because for once here in Davao the rent is went high. The price is outrageous high. So we decided to stay here in the condo, which is 3 bedroom and 45,000 monthly, and have a pool. It's a garden. And then the one that we look for those last 3 months, look a bunch of houses. But the price, like I said, is expensive. Like 60,000 or 70. If we found one then it's a little cheaper than that, like 45,000, like same how much we pay in here. It's still the same, 45,000. It's only 2 bedroom, or either way, it's 3 bedroom. It's tiny. So me and my husband, we decide that we're gonna keep staying here because once in the blue moon, if the kids wanna jump in the fall, it's just right there, close. Just right there, just a walking distance. This is a walking distance of some subdivision that we look, but I like it. But I like it in here better because the guard here in the communities are strict, so outsider is not allowed to get in, unlike the subdivision is the same, though they are strict, but just too much houses. At least here it's not really too much crowded, there's not so much car going coming out, so that's why we choose in here. So we're gonna update you for the other video what we have and what we bought for the future, and then we're still looking for a property to build our house. But for now, I need to get ready, and I don't know if I am allowed to vlog there because we need to go to the school of the kids for their uniform because they enroll here already since when we arrived here last December. This January, they went to a different school, and we decided that we're gonna transfer there because my husband, he don't really like it there, so that's why we find a new school. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna keep watching it, and thank you for all of your patience. Stay safe and stay good. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again next.